HobbyKidsTV.
Guess what I got, guys? I bought a vending machine for all my Shopkins. Now I can bring it home to my castle and for Kristoff, and we can have so much fun putting the money in. Okay, come on, let's hurry up and get it open. Sheesh, Anna, like, take a chill pill. I did. I eat Tic Tacs all day long.
HobbyKid is going to help me open this up. It comes with 2 little Shopkins that I can't wait to see. And even all the little pictures on the box are just so cute.
Whoa.
We got nutty butter and another creamy bun bun. This one's white though.
Hi, friends.
Now we have 2. Cashier. Oh, cashier boy.
It's gonna help you, and I'm gonna help her.
Yes, can you put all my Shopkins in my vending machine, please? I gotta go. Come on, hurry.
Okay. Welcome to my life center first. Let's go wrestle.
Thank you, Hobby Boy, or Hobby Kid, or
HobbyHands. Answer it. I got 2 points.
there's little magnets here, so it helps keep your vending machine lid closed and staying on. Oh no, we forgot one.
I got the most points. Let's go wrestle.
Are you done playing with my vending machine, Hobby Mom?
I think she is.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. I forgot to pay.
Oh, I'm a princess. Just put it on my credit card. Ta-ta.
I didn't get what she said. Me neither. I think she said put her credit card in a blender. Yeah, let's do it.
Hey, you come back here.
We make new fun videos every day. Be sure to click on one of these videos to keep the fun going. We have lots of Shopkins videos too. Elsa, Anna, Barbie. You don't want to miss it.